Welcome to the Vocalic R sound, Today we are going to be talking about the retroflex tongue to make the sound. Remember that our lips need to be in a smile when we make the sound, but note that my mouth will be slightly open while I'm making the sounds today so that you can watch my tongue position. You do not need to open your mouth unless you're doing your work in the mirror so that you can see your own tongue. Here is a diagram of a mouth from the side. I did my best to color it so that you could orient yourself to what you're seeing. The red part is the tongue, and as you can see, the tip of the tongue is curling back into a C shape to reach the back of the mouth. Here is a close-up video so you can watch my tongue get into position and make the sound. I'm going to start out by doing it slowly so you can watch exactly what the tongue is doing. And then I'm going to do it fast so you can see what it looks like if we were to do it in our normal speech. Let's spend some time to talk about tips and tricks for getting our tongue and mouth into the correct position for the sound. Trick number 1 is to use a mirror. A mirror can be used for two things. One, to see that your mouth is in a smile while you're making the sound, or to see that your tongue is flipped back into that retroflex R position. If it is, you should see the underside of your tongue in the mirror. Just like with the bunched R, we can use a tongue depressor, popsicle stick, or any other tool to push our tongue tip backwards. I am going to show you how to do this using a straw. Okay, to do this, we're going to take our stick or our straw, and we're going to place the stick underneath the tip of our tongue, and then we're going to push it back like this. Let me show you again. The great thing about the sound is that you can still say the sound while the stick is in your mouth. Just need to be a little bit of a gap between your teeth. Let's do it one more time. Helpful trick number 3 is to use peanut butter. If you're allergic, use some similar substitute. We are going to use a spoon to place the peanut butter on the roof of our mouth, just behind the top teeth. And then we're going to take our tongue and we're going to lick it off by licking backwards on the roof of our mouth. Okay, I have my peanut butter on my spoon. I'm going to put it on the roof of my mouth, and then I'm just going to lick with my tongue tip until my tongue gets to the back. And then I'm going to stop and make the sound. Okay, watch me. All right, it's time to start practicing the sound. Okay, we're going to start by making the sound very slowly so we can practice that tongue movement getting back. And then we'll get a little bit faster. So here we go. Let's do it slowly together. Smile, tongue up, lick back, I paused there for a minute because I want you to hold your tongue there. I want you to feel how tight your tongue feels because it's in that C position back to the back of your mouth before you ever make the sound. I don't want you rushing this. Let's do it again. Now we're going to try it a little bit faster. Okay, ready? Smile, tongue up, slide it back. Let's do it again. Our prep is not any shorter, just the sound we're making is faster. Okay, we're going to make our sound a little bit faster or shorter. Here we go. Let's do it again. Are you ready to make some words? If not, that is totally okay. Just go back and keep practicing all by itself. Use a mirror, use a popsicle stick, use a floss pick, use a pencil, your finger, anything to help you get that tongue back there. But if you are ready, we're going to make some words by adding a sound to the end of We're going to start with the word earth because your tongue is going to curl back for the R, and then it's just going to fling itself forward and come out between your teeth for the TH. Okay, let's start out slow. Earth. A little bit faster. Earth. And one more time, a little bit faster. Earth. Okay, repeat after me. Irk. 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 Let's get that tongue ready in the back. Herb. 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 Now it's going to get a little bit trickier. We're going to add a sound before the which means your tongue is going to be in different places of your mouth. And you're going to have to pull your tongue back to that back tight and high position to get the sound correct. You won't get to place it there to start. This one has as easy of preparation as the initial words. We're doing an H sound, so you can get your tongue back and ready to go before we even start. Her. 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 Let's start by seeing if we can make the B sound with our tongue back in that retroflex R. Okay, so get your tongue back and then close your lips and try to make the B sound. B. I can do it, can you? Okay, so since we're doing the B sound, you won't be able to see my tongue, but let's get our tongue pulled back and get ready to say burr. 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 Okay, our tongue can be back for the F sound also. A little bit trickier, but let's try it. Okay, let's try fur. 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 Okay, last one. Just like the B sound, we're going to do a P, and we can do our tongue in the back of our mouth while we're saying the P sound. Let's practice just the P. P. Okay, let's get our tongue back. Purr. 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 Great job today. We'll see you next time.